excited for the Sanderson Farms Backyard Bash today? We got celebrity chef, Food Network star Kevin Rathbun, and we're making spicy chicken wings.
Hey, listen, super easy, all right? So first we have garlic salt.
Yep.
All right, then we have black pepper, and I use equal parts black pepper and garlic salt. And then we're gonna add the spice, which is the cayenne.
So the cayenne is adding some of that heat. You got those Sanderson Farms chicken wings, always fresh, never frozen. That's where a lot of the big flavors come from.
These are the whole chicken wing, right?
Yep.
A lot of times you do the flats and then you do the drummies, you know, but these are whole, so these are like impressive on the table.
Right.
But you do want a little bit of char, because that's just gonna make that skin just super delicious.
Blue cheese is still the gold standard.
It's the
for
gold
the chicken
standard.
wing. And especially a homemade version, right?
That's right. We're gonna put the mayonnaise in. We have the blue cheese. Crumbled blue cheese is great.
Yep.
Red wine vinegar, lemon juice, they pop the flavor.
That's all it took.
That's it.
Best part of the day with any Backyard Bash is when we uncover the wings and they're ready to go. Everybody has a gift. You know how to cook them, I know how to eat them.
So pick up that wing, man, get in it.
Do I look like a nibbler? I mean, come on, bro.
You look like an animal. What are you talking about? You know it's gonna be delicious. There we go. Nice.
We learned one thing today. The wing is the thing. Hey, all these great recipes available on the website.
We're gonna knock this out now.
Oh yeah, let's get to it.
Let's get to it.